This wood blocking board measures 7.8 by 7.8 inches. It's really handy to shape your crochet so that all of your pieces come out consistently. Now I'm going to show you how to mount these in just a moment, but first let me show you how to easily put this together. Now this comes with 20 stainless steel pins, so you don't have to worry about it rusting. So all you do is you just slide the board right here into the stand, and then you can store your pins right here in the little tray, like so. Many people think that blocking is only meant for natural fibers, but you can also use it for acrylic as well. Just mist it a little bit with some water and then place it on your board. As you can see, this has nice sharp edges and will dry very nicely. Now see, this is how it looks when it's blocked. This is how it looks when it's not blocked. You can fit two of these small motifs here on the 7.8 by 7.8 board. And you know, in my opinion, I really like the way that the wood boards hold up over time as opposed to the foam blocking boards. The foam blocking boards, after you stick the pins in them for a while, the foam tends to break down and then they're useless. Now this will last you a much longer time and it's a great investment and I think you'll like it.